Today, I will be looking at the website of Nanyang Carpentry. So Nanyang Carpentry is a company owned by my friend that provide carpentry services as the name suggests. So let's take a look. I'm now at the website of Nanyang Carpentry. First thing I see nothing. There are some hero text. Welcome to Nanyang Carpentry, awards winning, and what else? Okay, best in Singapore, that's covered by the header. Okay, so I scroll down and yeah, that's about it. There's only two links up here, gallery and get quotation. So let's see, what do I do? What can I see when I click on gallery? I do not know what is it, but basically it's nothing. And then when I click on get quotation, okay, it's a contact form that I will be able to contact. But let's try to see whether is there anything else. Okay, I have a Facebook link. My understanding of Nanyang Carpentry is that they also have at least a TikTok account. So yeah, so it's basically missing. You can see there's a lot of things that are missing in this website. I'll probably need to rebuild it from scratch. Let's see how it can be done in my next video.